Hi. I'm just kidding. It's my shirt, everybody. The reason why I'm wearing My Little Pony shirt, look, I have this one right here that I got it at Five Below yesterday. But we're only going to use My Little Pony Littlest Pet Shop. And I'm going down to South Park. Sorry, I don't know what the theme song goes, but South Park. But let's do 3 unboxing. Let's start with the My Little Pony because I'm Twilight Sparkle, the Princess of Friendship. Alright, let's start with... First, let me take a picture of these 3. Alright, here we go. Alright, time to open My Little Pony first. Let's see what's this. It's 2 o'clock right now. Oh, it's 3. Here we have, it's like in a mini aquarium. I'm not sure what it is. Some small objects. Alright, everybody, I'm sorry. Also, this is Hitch or Hitch, the pony right here. I'm not sure what it is that for, but it's like a mini aquarium or something. It's kind of nice. And for this, I don't know. Alright. We'll put it... Oh, Jesus Christ, Mike. Alright. Next up we have... We'll start with the Littlest Pet Shop. At the end we'll do South Park. I hope we don't get the same animal. This is the Series 4. It's still selling at Five Below. Alright. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Ooh, we got... Hold on, where's the cart? Oh, here's the little flyer. That's the main character, I think, of this picture. Looks like a panda. We got it. Yay. Oh, card's right here. This is... Let's make... Sorry. We got like a panda card. Here it is. So cute. And even twist of this Littlest Pet Shop toy. Wow. Alright, we'll do the last one. Now we got 3 Littlest Pet Shops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Explore the world with me with Littlest Pet Shop. Alright. I'll put it with the ponies for now. Alright. The next and last one we have South Park. Alright, here is South Park. Let's see what character should we get. I hope we don't get Eric Cartman again because we already had an Eric Cartman. If there's another Eric Cartman, I'm gonna be so... Oh, better not be Eric Cartman since... We got Kenny McCormick! Yay, we got Kenny McCormick. We got Kenny McCormick. Yes, we got Kenny. We got Kenny McCormick. Just like my plush. Alright, we got Kenny. I don't know if it will fit. Just use the base. There we go. Here is Kenny McCormick. And here's the sign. It says Comedy Central, which is available on the air. All right, we got Kenny McCormick from South Park. I'm sorry, it's a little messy. The clock tower fell from chugging too much as well. All right, everybody. Last time we did Eric Cartman and Kenny from South Park. Okay, everybody. Oh, ponies fell. Alright, that's it. I'm not sure we're gonna do emo and IB because it's getting late. We'll do it in the morning. But instead, we'll open the 3 things from IB. The pocket robot will start tomorrow.